What's good, guys? It's your boy Dave. Welcome back to another video, man. Today we are in Redlands, California. It's like 7 a.m. I had to sleep in my car last night because Efren fucking fell asleep. I was supposed to be staying at his place, but this kid, he needs a new alarm. I'm gonna get him a new alarm for Christmas. It's all good. We're at this gym right now. It's actually a pretty cool gym. It's open. You can get a little workout in. Then we gotta head straight to the house and, you know, get straight to work. The amount of progress that has been made by these guys is absolutely incredible. So I can't wait to show you guys the difference of like what it looked like before. Head to Home Depot, pick up some paint for my boy so he could finish up the sunroom, and then yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. So let's get it. I'll be honest, guys, today's been an absolute mess. This car is always giving me problems for whatever reason. It ran out of battery, and honestly it's just because I'm fucking irresponsible, but it ran out of battery, so now we're stuck in some random place in Redlands. But we got the car. We finally found a charger. It's gonna take 8 hours to charge this car, guys. 8 hours. How does this, like, how does that even work? Obviously superchargers are a lot quicker. It's like 20 minutes, but for some reason these EV chargers take forever. Like, it makes no sense. So I think there's gonna be a lot of progression in the EV charging space. Like, there has to be, because as people start to get more Teslas, like, people are gonna need more efficient ways of charging a lot quicker, so they'll get to work. So yeah, but yeah, guys, project's coming together. We're making a lot of progress on the house, and I'm excited to show you guys you know, the fully remodeled product, and yeah, it's gonna be dope. So let's go.